The right plants do so much for the wild community. They make new shelter, add to the food chain, and multiply biodiversity. A bouquet of flowers can serve birds, butterflies, and earthworms beneath the ground, all the while enhancing the yard as a place to see, a place to be. Landscaping can be targeted for selected species such as hummingbirds. A hummingbird garden can be as bright and cheerful as any in the neighborhood. Of course, the flowers can be supplemented with feeders where crowds of birds can belly up to the bark. The benefits of landscaping can reach around the calendar. The flowers of dogwoods or hawthorns gracing the yard in spring eventually become fruit. The red berries may sit untouched for most of the winter and even fall to the ground. But then some critical day, the birds will come to harvest the crop.